Hey! In front of me is Motorola Moto E22, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all text correction options available on this Motorola. Begin with opening settings and scrolling all the way down right away. Now tap on System. Then click on Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyword, and Gbird. After that, just click on Text Correction, and as you can see, all text correction options are here. If you wish to try one of them, just tap on the switcher next to the chosen one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!